Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Neutrino Protocol, an innovative decentralized finance platform designed to revolutionize how you manage your stablecoins. Neutrino Protocol offers unique solutions for stablecoin staking, trading, and earning rewards, all through a secure and transparent blockchain ecosystem. In this video, we'll walk through the platform's features step by step to help you get started. Upon entering the website, you'll notice its sleek and intuitive interface. At the top of the page, key features such as staking, trading, and analytics are prominently displayed. Navigating to the staking section, users can explore various stablecoin options, like USDN, and learn about their potential yields. Neutrino Protocol allows users to earn passive income by staking their stablecoins with competitive APYs, making it a valuable tool for crypto enthusiasts seeking growth opportunities. The trading module provides a seamless experience for exchanging assets within the Neutrino ecosystem. With integrated liquidity pools, trades are executed swiftly and efficiently. The analytics section offers comprehensive insights into asset performance, staking rewards, and protocol statistics, empowering users to make informed decisions. Did you know that your stablecoins can generate passive income? Simply stake your assets on Neutrino Protocol and watch your portfolio grow with up to 12% APR. This platform ensures that your crypto holdings don't sit idle, allowing you to maximize their potential. Don't forget, you can sign up today using the exclusive link in the description https://lnk.do/jquucoif to receive a special bonus for new users. This is the perfect opportunity to explore Neutrino Protocol and enhance your DeFi journey. Now that you've seen how easy it is to use Neutrino Protocol, take action. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto insights and tutorials.